A rectangle has a length of x units and a width of x minus 15 units. If the rectangle has an area of 76 square units, what is the value of x? So we have a rectangle which has a length of x units and a width of x minus 15 units. The area of this rectangle is 76 square units. So the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. So in this case, 76 is equal to the length, which is x, and the width, which is equal to x minus 15. So this is the formula for the area of this square, our rectangle. We can use this formula to solve for x, which is what the question is asking us for. So 76 is equal to, we can distribute out this x to get x squared minus 15x, and then we can subtract 76 from both sides to get 0 equals x squared minus 15x minus 76. And then we can split this x term here, this negative 15x, into two terms whose coefficients, when multiplied together, equals 1 times negative 76. So in this case, it would be 0 equals x squared minus 19x plus 4x minus 76. So we just split this 15 here, this negative 15, into negative 19x plus 4x, which just equals negative 15x. But now, negative 19 times 4 is equal to negative 76. This will allow us to factor this by grouping. So we can just take an x common out from these two terms. So x minus 19. And then from these two terms, we can factor out a 4. So 4 times x minus 19. And then we see that x minus 19, that quantity is common to both these terms, so we can factor that out as well. So x minus 19 times x plus 4. Okay, and then we'll have two solutions to this equation. So x will equal 19, or x equals negative 4. Because plugging in 19 to x here will give us 0, which will make the whole equation 0, which satisfies the equation. And the same for when x is negative 4, it'll make this quantity 0, which when multiplied with this will also be 0. But since x is negative 4 here, this solution doesn't make any sense because we're dealing with distances. The length or width of a rectangle cannot be negative, so we're just going to disregard that solution and take x equals 19 as the solution. So the answer is B.